Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to techaply. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. So in this video I'm going to show you how to connect neckband headphones or earphones to your Android phone. Let's get started. So here I've got a neckband headphone MIDI color 2. First step, you need to turn on the headphone by pressing this power button here for a few seconds until you see the blue light blinking. Okay, if you're wearing the headphone, then you're going to hear power on. Alright, after you see the blinking in red and blue in the indicator, then you go into your Android phone and turn on your Bluetooth. Now the Bluetooth will start scanning and you will see the name of this neckband headphone is appearing here, which is a MIDI color 2. So I'm going to tap on it to pair. Tap on here on pairing request. MIDI color 2 is already connected to this Android phone. So I'm currently on this headphone and we can hear that. Pressing on this minus button to reduce the sound and press on the plus button to getting the sound up. When you want to unpair the device, you just tap on here and you can stop the connection. Of course, the neckband headphone will be blinking in red and blue again. This means still ready for pairing. So you need to turn it off from this button by hold press on it and you'll see a red coming out, and that's it, and you're gonna hear the power off from your earphones. And that's it for today's video guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos later on. Bye for now.